The actual reason of all these complaints is basically the heavy breasts. Yes, the heaviness may be due to the overweight, it may be a congenital problem, maybe due to the inherited fact that you're having heavy breasts, and it may be after multiple deliveries or childbirths and constant breastfeedings that the breasts were already heavy and now they are sagging too. All these things, they drag your body weight, they drag your shoulders and the neck down towards the gravity due to the weight of the breasts, and they lead to all these problems that we have talked about. What is the solution? Solution is breast reduction surgery. ऐसी प्रॉब्लम में कुछ भी कर लो, कहीं भी कोई भी मेडिसिन ले लो, आपकी ब्रेस्ट्स का साइज जब तक कम नहीं होगा, इन सब प्रॉब्लम से आप फ्री नहीं हो सकते. So you have to keep these things in mind, that if you are a candidate who is suffering from the heavy breasts, which you are trying to keep them uplifted or in position with the wired bras, if you are suffering from the constant pains of the shoulders and the necks and not finding out what the actual bony cause is, if you have those digging straps on your shoulders and still are not comfortable with, या आपके ब्रेस्ट के अंडर सरफेस पे, अंडर ब्रेस्ट क्रीजेस पे बहुत सारे मल्टीपल जख्म हो जाते हैं, then you have to go for breast reduction surgery. Breast reduction surgery is usually a day care surgery. ये बहुत बड़ा कुछ नहीं है, and it is a myth that I have heard many people, many of my patients asking me the question कि क्या breast reduction में nipples को उतार दिया जाता है और दोबारा से reattach किया जाता है? नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. The blood supply of the nipples is preserved during the surgery, and just the excess fat and the excess skin and few glands is also taken out, and the breast is closed, uplifted, and a very beautiful lift is given to make you more comfortable. There are multiple type of breast reduction surgeries that we perform depending upon what is the grade of the heaviness or what is the grade of the sagginess you are suffering from, but usually most commonly एक inverted T-shaped scar आता है breast की नीचे वाली side पे, जो बहुत जल्दी over few weeks or maximum 3 months तक it very easily merges with your normal skin and it is hardly visible. Dissolvable sutures are applied. Mostly it is a daycare surgery, and you can usually start working within 3 to 4 days, and you can also start with the heavy weight exercises within few weeks. So there's nothing much bigger to be afraid of, but yes, this is something you have to go for it if you want a more comfortable and a more confident life, and you want to be free from all these complaints you have been suffering from. So if you know anyone around you who has been suffering from all these problems but is hesitant or is ignorant to the root cause, you can advise them to contact us, and we are here to help you with. Thank you.